emergency alert system. The National Weather Service issuing severe thunderstorm warnings across Somerville County, DeKalb County, northern Erath, Harper County, and Palo Pinto County until 11:30. Severe thunderstorms located along the line of cells extending from near Graysburg down to Lake Palo Pinto, 6 miles west of Huckabee, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These storms could produce some 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings are up for Somerville, Hood, Erath, Harper, and Palo Pinto counties until 11:30. Also, flash flood warnings have now been activated for Denton and Collin counties for the next 3 hours. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.